Hello, welcome back to CompXM 2024. This video gives the details, guide, and tips for round 3 of CompXM Round 3. You can check the previous video to see the winning tips for round 1 and round 2, and now round 3 you have the top sale and top profit. Let's continue the strategy for round 3 and round 4 to win the game with top result. I show you now. So you see the screen of round 3 of CompXM Round 3. Now we have developed 4 new products in round 1 and 2, and now round 3 you have 8 good selling products. So just continue. Again, do not copy this number and paste into your game because CompXM is different from student to student. So I show you the strategy, the way to go on the 4 rounds of CompXM, and then you can continue with your game. Do not copy the number because performance and size, again, performance and size is different from student to student. And to start point, I say it again, the starting point is the industry condition report. You can start from the industry condition report to see table 1, table 2, and table 3. Use that for your game. So you need to open your game and get industry condition report and start from that. And the way we do the same for on the 4 round, but the number a little bit different, right? So now the way we complete round 3 is like this. We input the number for performance and size for INT. So this should be 9.7 and 10.3, and this should be 11.9 and 5.2. So the way we do the same, but the number may be different, right? 14.8 and 8.1. If you are not sure, you can send the email and industry condition report. I can tell you the Excel file for your game, right? So 6.5, that's 13.5. And then the second core product, that's 10 and 10, and the second nano 11.9 and 5.2, and 14.8 and 8.1, and also we have 7 and 13. So that's the way we update the performance size for round 3 of CompXM. Update that again. Do not use a number. Use a strategy, but do not use a number. So we look at the top 10 winning tips. You see the top 10. You see the industry condition report I show you, and you also see the free Excel file to calculate IND for each round. For 4 round, we need to update IND each round, and we have added 4 new products in round 1. So now round 3 we get very good sales and very good profit. Just keep going. Next video will show you to set the price in marketing, and next in the production, and next in finance, and then you can win round 3 with top result. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.